Hi everyone, I'm Neil. We bought this gift for Eva, and this is a kitchen appliance set. Let's open it. There's a toaster inside. There's a mixer inside. There's a blender inside. There's some fruits and veggies. Let's open everything now. I unopened everything. This is what we have. A mixer, a blender, a toaster, some bread, slice of bread, a cup, a corn, a banana, a burger, ketchup, mustard, hot dogs, and some plates. We can put the batteries first in the stand mixer. Let's mix something. Oh, I hear someone crying. Let's go and help him. Jay, what happened?
I'm hungry. Make something for me.
Okay, let's go make something for him. First, let's make a banana smoothie for him. Maybe that might cheer him a little. I'll make some toast for him. Look, it's banana smoothie. Oops. And we'll go give him.
I also drink your smoothie. How does it taste? Good.
Hey, try to eat this smoothie.
Oh, no,